Hey guys, good to be here this week again for the Oxen Labs update. I'll be joining you initially, and then Josh will come and talk about some marketing stuff, so hopefully you stay along to listen to what he's been up to. On the session side, basically we have been working on some post-release fixes. So with the message request release, we had a few bugs, mostly related to notifications on iOS, which we fixed up pretty quickly, and then some bugs also related to link previews on iOS 2. And I think there was a final issue on Android with some of the disappearing messages not correctly displaying. So we basically fixed those up this week. We've also made significant progress with Android getting in the Session ID blinding release, and some SOGs updates have come recently as well, basically to do with the new endpoints that we've been implementing, just fixing some of those up so that they're correctly implemented. On the LokiNet side, we have actually started looking at LokiNet integration into Session. So we're looking at that initially on iOS, and I know Jeff is also looking at it on Android as well. It's really in the early stages right now, so we're just kind of scoping it out and looking at it. And we're also talking about closed groups and some of the changes that could happen there to make the protocol more robust. So we've been talking about these issues and potentially which ones we can do first, but it's looking like LokiNet integration onto Session is going to start moving forward in the design process and just starting to explore how that would look on each platform as well. So that's not locking in a specific release date, but something that we are looking at. On core, we've basically continued our work with Wallet 3. I've said that a couple of weeks in a row, but it's taking a lot of work to take what is the monolith of Wallet 2 and refactor all of that code so that our transactions can work properly in the Wallet 3 world. So yeah, just a short one because I think we've been focusing on basically the same task that I talked about this week, but the full dev update that is there, and you can see that there's lots of little changes that have happened there as well, but our main focus is staying the same. So I'll hand it over to Josh for the second part. Thanks, guys.
Hi guys, me again, back with another marketing update. So this week we rolled out message requests, which came with a bunch of articles, socials. We updated our facts and support. We've also just finished a new creative campaign for Session, which is looking really good right now. I can't really say or show anything more, but there might be some wearable knickknacks to go along with the next portion of it, so keep a look at, and that'll be interesting when it drops. This week we also dropped a whole bunch of new articles. Also, we've decided that we're going to start using the Session subscriber, the email subscriber list a lot more, because we've got over 9,000 subs on the email list and a surprisingly high engagement rate, actually. So we're going to use it more because it's just going to be a great way to distribute the content and get it out there to a lot more people. We've also been working on this new one-pager for Session. We finished it off, and basically it's targeting specifically Session audiences to basically lay out all the different ways that you can help help the project. Other ways you can help support it, give back, things like writing code, things like helping translate, all of those good stuff. So that hasn't dropped yet, but it should be dropping in the next couple of days. And finally, Tom and Cam have been working hard on a whole bunch of new video content. So you guys might have seen, but we've got some Session short stories that are out, and already they generated more than 12,000 views across all the channels, and there's going to be plenty more of them to come. So that's it for me. See you guys next week.